Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. Now in previous lectures we have learned about campaign, objectives, budgeting, placements and bids. Now in this lecture we are going to go on the third level, that is the ads level, where you create your own ads and design your own ads, which is the front end of your advertisement, which is seen by all your customers on Facebook. So what you have to do is just select your budget and go and select continue. Then you'll come on ads. Here you can create your ad. Now here you have to name your ads, and in my experience always create the name that defines the most, that is the major USP of that ad. Let's say your major USP of your ad is it may be its headline. Its headline might be different, or its ad copy. There is some kind of tagline inside the ad copy, that is the angle, that is the major important selling point. Or whether it's your ad creative, which contains some kind of a specific different business angle of promotions, then write that here. Right, whatever is the main USP of your ad, write the name, give the name here, because if you are going on a big scale on Facebook ads, it might happen that in one campaign you might have hundreds of ad sets, and in those hundreds of ad sets you might have 8 to 10 different variations of ads per ad sets, and this happens a lot with Facebook ad agencies and men. So it is better to name your Facebook your ads based on the main USP, so that afterwards when you go into analytics and you see, you can find out which are the best performing ads directly. It makes it easy to organize our ads and make better decisions. So always name it based on the main USP of your ads. The second thing, identity, where you select the page on which the ads will be shown. As we have seen in the first core lecture, that page is your Facebook page, is where your ads will be shown. Second is your Instagram account. So if you have your own Instagram account for your business, you can directly log into it and go and connect it here. Or if you don't want to go with a separate Instagram account, you can use selected page. So the Facebook page will be shown on the Instagram page, Instagram app also of the user, and you can still promote your ads. Then comes formats. Now when it comes to Facebook ads formats, there are three main variations. One is carousel ad, second is single image or video ads, or collection. Collection is nothing but, let's say you have different images of your one product, so you can add all of those collection in one ad, which will become a collage of your all the images of your product, and you can try to promote those into your ads. You can group all the items in one ads, and it will be shown like this, different images. So if you want to promote it, then you can go with the collection. Second is a single image or video, and third is a carousel. So a video ads looks like this. There will be a video, an ad copy and a headline. People will click on the video and your ad will appear, or it will automatically, if people are scrolling down, and within 1 second your video will start playing. Second is the image ad. As we can see, image ads work like this. You have an image, your ad copy, your Facebook page, your headline. People click on the offer and they go and to your landing page and watch your ads. Third is a carousel ad. Carousel ads, as you can see here, it's majorly used by e-commerce company when they want to promote different variations of their products, or they want to promote different products in just one ads. They would add 4 to 5 different items in one niche with their ad copy, their headline and their amount, their price points. So once you have selected any of your format, let's select single image or video. Then here Facebook will ask you to add media. So you want to create ad image or add video, or if you have 8 to 10 different images which you want to create as a slideshow, or you want to create a video out of 8 to 10 different images or anything, Facebook gives you a platform where you can create your video based on different images you have. So let's select add image. Here you have three options. One is all the images that you have already uploaded as an account image. If you want to upload from your desktop, you can go and upload it. And if you don't have any images but you want to use Facebook's generic images from its own platform, then you can use stock photo, where Facebook is giving you various free images from Shutterstock. So here you can find out, you can search for them and you can get different images from Shutterstock used on Facebook platform directly integrated. So let's say business, as we are promoting, let's say we are promoting Facebook ads course, our Facebook ad course, we can find out different images. So here we have different business images. Now what you can do is you can select 4 to 5 different images, because you can create 4 to 5 different variations of your ads. So let's say we selected these 6 images and we created it. So here you can see 6 ad images, which you can see here. And if you want to see, you can see all of them. So let's say this is one image, this is second image, this is third image. So you can get different variations of images which you have selected. Now don't worry about the watermark, because when your ad is live, these watermark will not be shown to your customers. It's just you are seeing it, but your ads will not appear into it. Now here it's where you can write your ad copy, where you can write the main essence of your ads. What are the benefits of your ads? What are the benefits of your products, of your services? Whatever you want to say, you can it's your sales letter. Here you can write whatever is the USP of your product. Then comes the headline. Under the headline, you can write one line headline that can be that is the main USP of your ad and of your product. Your one line headline can work a miracle for you, because it is something that can trigger people to click on your ad. So always make sure that you write one line headline, a tagline, or something that is a USP. Let's say 10,000 happy customers, 10,000 happy customers, or something like that. Or you can write a review, or you can write, if your price point is your major selling price, then you can write let's say we can write Facebook ad course at only 90% discount. So let's say Facebook ad course at 499 rupees only. So this could be like one liner which can make people click. So you can write it here, which is the main USP of your ad and of your product. Let's say you're giving away 10% discount, or you're giving away 90% discount, you're giving away a free consultation, whatever it is, that one line that can promote, that can make people click, you should write it here. Here you should write in detail what are the benefits of your product. It's kind of a sales letter that you are writing to your audience. So it should be very good. When it comes to Facebook ads, 80% of things which determine 80% of chance whether your Facebook ad will be successful or not depends on these 3 factors only, which is your ad copy, your headline, and your ad creative, that is your image and video. So it should be very good. Companies are spending thousands of dollars per ad on getting the great amount of ad creative, on good quality ad creative, good quality ad copy, and headline. In this lecture we are only showing you the description of it, but in the advanced courses that you have found in the bonus lecture, you will go step by step in detail in copywriting, how to create a good amount quality of ad copy, high quality of headlines, and create good videos and images. So it is very necessary. 80% of your success depends on these 3 things only, that is your ad copy, your headline, and your ad creative. So make sure these 3 are very of high quality. Spend most of your time of your Facebook ads in designing these 3 best quality, because this is the first thing that your audience will see. They'll go onto your website afterwards, but the first thing they see is your ad copy, your headline, and your images or your ad creative. Your headline will be the scroll stopper, which means that people might be scrolling on their Facebook feeds, and once they read these headline, it should be an eye catcher that will stop them and will make them click on the button, so that you can go and so that they can go and check out whatever your offer is. Now here is a website URL where you can write down the whole URL of your website. So let's say rs Facebook ad course.com. So I can write it here. Oh, sorry, I'm writing it in primary text. Here you can write down your whole URL, www.facebook.ad-course.com. So you can write it here. Now here you will write down your website URL, but here you can write your display URL link. So if you want people not to watch this website URL, because many times website URL are big, let's say for example here you are seeing business.facebook.com ads manager creation equals to, and this whole thing, but we only need people to watch only to see only facebook.com. Then what you can do is on display link you can write down facebook.com. This is just for an example purpose. So what will happen, people will watch who are on your ads, they won't watch the whole URL, they'll only watch what you want them to see. So if you want something catchy, something good to be only seen, not just whole URL link which will be on your website URL, you can write it here. Next is the button. So what do you want? You want people to sign up, shop now if an e-commerce, download something, get code, offer. You can select whatever is the best course of action for you, and then here you can write you can select your Facebook pixel. Then all you have to do is just select confirm and your ads will start running. So this is how whole ads this is the third structure of Facebook ads, that is the ads. Now up till now we have only looked into the basics of the whole Facebook ads. Inside our bonus lectures, inside our Facebook ad masteries, that is a very in-depth course, you will learn everything. What are the best ingredients, what are the best formula for getting 10x of your Facebook ads. So I hope you would have checked out that, and you will be learning more from those courses itself. Thank you very much.